For some reason, when I saw the Milestone home, I was like, I want to stop by. I fell in love with it immediately.
The airiness and the light. When you wake up in the morning and you open all of the windows, just sitting on your couch, you feel like you're basking in sunshine.
Kylie has very unique taste, and everything she saw in the model home, she absolutely loved.
I really liked the way it looked on the outside, the curb appeal, and it had really high ceilings, which was nice. It might not be important, but it's important to me.
The process has been absolutely amazing. For a first-time home buyer, it doesn't seem like it's our first time. They've really, really taken us under their wing.
I think we were prepared to do battle, but coming into Milestone, it was so easy, so seamless.
And you qualify for this kind of house. And then I was I thought I was being punked or it was a dream.
It was night and day compared to our resale experience.
Having somebody who is here in town and who knows everything about the city was very, very helpful in our process. It was really a treat because then every week I got to see everything actually coming together.
I've been doing some Snapchat. My friends saw it when it was the wood, and then they saw it when there's some sheetrock, and they've been able to see it now.
My favorite thing is the front door with the glass paneling. It's a very nice touch and very non-traditional.
Do you like your room, Mom?
I like my room so big,
Closet, right?
Big closet, big bedroom, bathtub,
The Milestone design team was exceptional at sort of just sitting us down for about an afternoon. So we really custom made the house room to room for us to feel like ours and to feel special.
The garden is all hers. That's her realm.
Milestone here has been great in setting up little events for the community.
The first day I moved in, the people across from me just said if they needed anything that I could knock on their door, and I have.
They had a sort of a get-together here in the model. And just getting to meet the people who were gonna live here was a big influence on me.
What is the best thing about living here?
Big neighborhood.
It's a big neighborhood, yeah.
People actually want to come visit me instead of me going to visit them.
Everything that we had in our old community, we have here, from grocery stores to the Alamo Draft House.
You never really have to leave. We really like the feeling of being surrounded by so many things that are close to being a downtown area.
I found something that I love, and I found something that I've been able to make my own. I'm owning a home, and it's exciting.
To have your dream come true in front of you, it's pretty powerful stuff.